Hello friends, this is sequence and series part 3. In first two part we discuss about AP and in this part we will discuss about GP. GP means geometric progression. Let a sequence A1, A2, A3 and so on up to AN be in GP. It means if and only if this sequence will be in GP if A2 upon A1 is equal to A3 upon A2 is equal to A4 by A3 so on up to AN upon में AN minus 1 means now from this the definition of GP will be a sequence with non-zero terms. It is necessary if a terms of GP is 0 it is not possible, as in division a term is 0 then the whole term will be non-defined. So all know a sequence with non-zero terms bears a constant ratio with its preceding term except the first term. So every term with bears a constant ratio with the preceding term, and this constant ratio will be denoted by R and it is known as common ratio. This is called as geometric progression. यहाँ से हमें क्या पता चला ए के प्लस 1 अपॉन ए के फॉर एनी के इज इक्वल टू आर वेयर के विल बी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1 एंड के बिलोंग टू नेचुरल नंबर. For example, 2, 4, 8, 16 multiply by same 32. This will form an AP. Journal term of an AP will be denoted by A, AR, AR square, AR cube and so on up to this. If A is first term, then nth term means journal term, nth term will be a r की पावर n minus 1 क्योंकि फर्स्ट टर्म में r नहीं होता ना, ऐसे सेम. Two types of GP are there. First is finite GP and second is infinite GP. As from its name, a GP having infinite number of term will be infinite GP and finite number of term will be finite GP. In finite GP, it is property of finite GP, the product of equidistance from end and beginning terms are same and equal to the product of first and last term. If first term is A and last term is L, then second term and second term from last, similarly third term from beginning and third term from last, their product will be equal to AL. If second is B and last is for example P is equal to BP. सेम अप टू हम कितनी ले सकते हैं. एपी की प्रॉपर्टी क्या होती थी, फर्स्ट और लास्ट की जो सम था वो बिगिनिंग और एंड के सम के इक्वल टर्म्स के बराबर था और यहाँ प्रोडक्ट बराबर होगा. दिस विल बी द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ जीपी and this is only the property of finite GP, not an infinite GP. For solving some problem, if the product of three terms of a GP is given, then we will assume the terms as A by R, A and AR. It is very easy in calculation. If four terms are given, then A by R cube, A by R, AR and AR cube. And if five terms are given, A by R square, A by R, A and AR and AR square. We will assume this like this. But if sum is given, sum of GP is given, then we will assume the term as A, AR and AR square and so on up to jitni bhi given ho. Now we will discuss about sum of GP. Sum of GP. Here are some conditions. If R means common ratio is greater than 1, then Sn will be given by A into me R raised to power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. This is the first formula. If R is less than 1, then Sn will be given by A into me 1 minus R raised to power n upon 1 minus R. And if R is equal to 1, then Sn will be n into A. As it's same, if every term is same, then multiply by n. If last term is given, means L is the last term and R is greater than 1, then Sn will be given by L into R minus A upon R minus 1. And if L is last term and R is less than 1, then Sn will be given by A minus LR upon 1 minus R. Thank you.